Hey everybody, today I have an amazing marble cake for you all that's made with some pretty healthy ingredients. Let's get to it. The first part to the recipe is to make the frosting. Add 6 medjool dates, vanilla extract, and cashew butter to a large food processor and process until the dates are the size of small little peas. Now we want this frosting to be a little bit thinner, so add a 1/4 cup of soy milk or plant milk of choice and set aside. For the wet ingredients, we're going to add some silken tofu, 12 medjool dates, in addition to agave nectar, cashew butter, and some avocado oil and apple cider vinegar, which I did not include in the shop, but we want to include that as well to help with rise, and process until really smooth. If it seems really thick, add a splash of soy milk. Now, to separate eventually the vanilla from the chocolate layer, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of cacao powder with a 1/4 cup of boiling water and mix until really nice and smooth and set aside. For the dry ingredients, I will leave them on the description, and with our dry ingredients nicely sieved, we're going to add the wet ingredients and completely mix until homogeneous. Now take half the batter, add that chocolate mixture, and combine until really nice and smooth. To a greased baking tray, we're going to add a vanilla layer, a chocolate layer, and continuously do this until all of the batter is used. Give it a nice tap to release any air bubbles, and with a toothpick we're going to swirl till the desired texture and design is produced. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 55 minutes, release when fully cooled, and enjoy with some frosting. If you guys like this content, be sure to subscribe to the channel for videos every Friday and daily shorts. See you next time.